Hello, this is Bruce. I'm going to give you a tour of the prototype Cometrics dashboard. It has two roles: report archive contents and monitor data ingestion, which occurs in real time. Here we're going to use it to report the number of files in the archive. Now the components of the dashboard are as follows. There are cards at the top showing the total number of files in the archive per instrument as well as the grant total. The histograms show the annual cumulative number of files for one instrument on the left, for the whole archive on the right, for the parameters chosen in the pull-down menu above them. And finally, Download CSV loads the data in the histograms into spreadsheets. So let's see the dashboard in action. Select the instrument from the pull-down menu. You can select any COA instrument, including the decommissioned ones. Now here we're going to pick a new instrument, KPF, the Keck Planet Finder, commissioned in 2022, so no data are reported earlier than this. And you can select the type of files you want to display. Level 0 raw, level 1 quick look, or level 2 pipeline reduced. And you can select science files, calibration files, or an aggregate. Now select an instrument that's been in use throughout the life of the observatory, LRAS, the Long Wavelength Imaging Spectrograph. We'll select several ranges. We're going to start with 2000 to 2025. You can also select the monthly option to show the files ingested each month. Alright, now let's look at the right-hand chart, which shows the cumulative total number of files. As with the per instrument charts, we can make the same selections from the pull down. Now at 1 minute 30 seconds, the number of KPF files increases by 1 to 367,097. The metrics are updated every 10 seconds to report files ingested in real time. In this case, a daytime calibration file has been added for KPF. Right, so you can download the CSV files, and the histogram data is automatically loaded into numbers because we're using an Apple machine. And thank you for listening.